This is the very same Lennox heat pump that gave me an epic steam show last February. It is an Elite series. Let's see the compressor down there. This has been. Never mind. The motor's warm, but the line ain't cold. Or it may have, I don't know. And here's the Ducane. Oh yeah, this one has been running. This one's definitely been running. This is a 14 5-ton 13-series Ducane heat pump. Full compressor. I recently discovered that this Ducane replaced another Lennox Elite series in the winter of 2015 into 2016. I saw pictures of this place around that time frame, and there is a unit that looks exactly like this right here. And I guess that is when this Ducane was put in. Yeah, you can see the crankcase heater right there. See the reversing valve, the compressor. Interlink fan motor. So yeah, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Out.